In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the time zone in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you need to open Google Chrome browser. Now press and hold Ctrl+Shift+I. Then Chrome Developer Mode will open. Now you need to click on this third icon, select More Tools, and then Sensor. Now you need to come to the Location tab and click on this and choose your location. Now open new tab and search for What's My Location. Now click on Choose Area and then use Precise Location. Then Google Chrome will set your location automatically. But your location isn't available on this list. Then you need to click on the drop-down box and select Other. Now open a new tab and search for latlong.net. Now type your location name here and click on Find. Then you need to copy latitude and longitude and paste it here. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily change the time zone in Google Chrome browser.